Welcome to Saltwater Bass 4K. So right now we're waiting on somebody to come to the ramp and buy a boat. Got Tom Adams Bridge off there in the distance. Sorry I don't got any better zoom. This is the iPhone 13. S20 Ultra has a little better zoom, but I feel like this overall video quality is gonna be a little better. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to give you guys a little bit more wide action footage. I know I got a lot of shorts. Doesn't fill your whole screen. We're getting rid of the lund today. It's a Northern John boat, 18.5 foot. Got some bait right here.